Hey, Paul here from the Crypto Factor. Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. I'm going to talk to you about cryptocurrency and what's going on with the charts. I'm going to give you an exclusive update that nobody knows. Something's going on the international music scene. No one knows this. No one's talking about this. I'm going to give you the news first and firsthand, so stick around for that. And you may or may not have noticed, but this stream right here, what you're watching right here, is not live. And you might think to yourself, Paul, what's going on here? Why aren't you live? Every week at 7 o'clock EEST time, you're live, but yet today you're not. What's going on? I'm going to tell you about that. And then you're going to be wondering, but wait a minute, there's a chat here. You are live. I'm not live. This is a premiere, and although we're watching this video together, I can see your chat. So welcome everybody at the chat. Nice to see you. This is actually a pre-recording, and there's a reason for that I'm going to explain to you. But before all that, welcome back. My name is Paul. If it's your first time here, this channel is all about cryptopreneurship for cryptopreneurs and aspiring cryptopreneurs alike. We get straight to the point. We talk about crypto. We do daily videos, and we also do live streams. Plus, we've interviewed almost everybody who is anybody in the crypto space. Some of the most successful people, minds, and pioneers, they're right here on this channel. So if you like crypto and what it can do for you, then go ahead, subscribe down below, and don't forget to hit the bell notification button so you don't miss anything. So before I tell you these updates that are going on that nobody's really talking about, let's talk about something that everybody is talking about, and that is the Bitcoin price. Now, I'm not going to pull up any charts or anything. I'm just going to tell you exactly what's going on. Bitcoin right now is sitting under 40K, under 40,000, which was my psychological level that if we went under, we need to watch out. But I also recently made a video that the charts might be lying to you. And I also made a bold claim on BitBoy Crypto's channel on Around the Blockchain that by the end of this weekend, give or take a day or two, we're going to go up above 40K again, because I think the charts, the dip we saw, is an anomaly. And what do I mean by an anomaly? And I don't want to get too much into this. This is experience based, but I think that people overreacted with what was going on in Ukraine with a nuclear reactor that almost blew up, apparently, taking the world with it. So that was pretty serious. The stock market took a huge dive and took Bitcoin with it. And Bitcoin, as you know, takes crypto with it. So what we are seeing right now, we're seeing that it's holding under 40K, but we're not seeing another dive under 40K. So technically, we're still at that level. So I would say I was right about that. But let's see what happens. Because if we can't close above 40K, then yes, we need to reevaluate all of this. Now, am I a perma-bull? No. But the charts, for me and my experience, are showing some bullish action over the next week or two. Now, I might be wrong, and I could be wrong. So please take caution, because even though I am right 98% of the time, if you go back to my other videos, it's not me saying this, is what people tell me. But if you go back to my other videos, you'll see I'm 98% correct. And I'll tell you why I'm 98% correct in a second. It's not because I'm a genius, but I'll tell you why. But please take caution. So why am I correct 98% of the time? And this might be a bit of a stretch, maybe it's a little bit less. But why am I almost always correct? Simple. I don't read charts every day. I do long-term swing trading, and I don't change my mind every day. So it's a lot easier for me to be right most of the time rather than wrong. Now, all these other YouTube channels, they try to do videos every day to get views, and it's great. Some people day trade, some people are good at it, most people aren't. But they make videos every day for views. And unfortunately, that means they have to read charts every day. And guess what? When you do that, your attention gets drawn away with what's going on. So what are we doing here? We're watching the 40K level. We're trying to break and close above the 40K level. A week ago, I actually told you that we are going to break 40K when we were at 39K. People made fun of me, and we did. And I also said we're going to touch 45K, and we did. Now, the difference is I said we'll go back down and then run back up and break it again. We haven't done that yet, but I believe we will. If we can run back up, because we touched that resistance line 3 or 4 times, I think it's weak, and I think we could break it. Now, what's going to happen after that is a different story. We can talk about it when the time comes. But for right now, that is my view. If we reverse and we keep on going down, again, we're going to reevaluate. Now, with that out the way, let's talk about the second thing I want to talk to you about, and that is, if I was going to buy 3 cryptocurrencies right now, which cryptocurrencies would those be? And the reason I'm doing this, the reason I'm telling you which cryptocurrencies I'm going to buy, is because a lot of people are asking me in the comments. So here they are. Are you ready? And by the way, right after, I'll talk to you about that update that nobody's talking about right now in the music scene. Literally, no one's talking about this. It's actually huge, and I promise you, I'm the first channel to talk about it with proof. So make sure you stick for that. So the 3 cryptocurrencies I would buy right now is Bitcoin, Bitcoin, and Bitcoin, possibly Ethereum. Why? The reason is that most of the other cryptocurrencies, in large, you want to be accumulating and buying in a bear market or when a bullish market, a bull market, is confirmed. So right now, you want to be buying Bitcoin long-term and Ethereum long-term. By the way, when I said what I would buy right now, the question was, what would you buy long-term? Not for a quick trade, not for a flip, but long-term. In other words, if you were going to buy something and keep it for 2-3 years, what would you buy right now? And that is it. That's as honest as I can be with you right now. Now, that does not mean I didn't buy other cryptocurrencies. Recently, I bought more Decentraland and Sand. I'm just telling you long-term what kind of advice I would give for somebody buying cryptocurrencies. Because if you're asking, that means you're probably new and your risk tolerance is probably lower than mine, for example. Now, let me tell you about the update I wanted to talk to you about, the exclusive update I'm going to give you right now with what's going on in the crypto market around the world in the music scene that nobody's talking about. It's not what you think it is. Plus, I'll tell you why I'm not live right now as we speak right after that. So there is a music video out there right now with over 600,000 views, an international music video that's on over 600,000 views in just a couple of days. And at the end of that music video, there's a metaverse. And what do I mean by this? I literally mean there's an NFT metaverse game within the music video. It transforms into the metaverse and then has a to be continued at the end of the music video. The music video is called A Woof and it's by Kaladi. I'll leave a link in the description down below. Now, why is this important? Why am I telling you this? Well, the reason is I want you to be the first people to know that that game, that NFT metaverse game at the end of the music video is actually BitBulls. And BitBulls, if you're following this channel, you know I'm the co-founder, it's our project, and it's an NFT metaverse game. And I'm not shilling this because you can't buy it yet. But what we're doing, we're slowly ramping up marketing, but we're doing a certain kind of marketing that will benefit us in the future. But what I'm going to do right now is ask you a question. Why do you think there's a to be continued at the end of the music video? And what do you think it's going to involve? Comment down below. I would really like to know what you think could happen, if you think it's significant, if you think it's insignificant, if you think it's not worth the trouble to even look at it. Watch the music video. Tell me what you think. It's in Spanish, but watch it. Tell me what you think. Comment down below. I would love to know. And finally, you're probably wondering, Paul, okay, that's all great, that's amazing, or it's not, depending on your outlook, but why are you not live? There's a live stream every Sunday at 7 o'clock EEST time, which is 12 o'clock CET time. Why are you not live with us right now? First of all, I am live. I can see your messages. I'm just not live on camera. And here's the reason. I have been very, very busy. I have been very busy with bitbulls.io. I've been busy with other projects. I've been busy, and I've been working so much, doing things that are so exciting, but so intense that I just needed a break. But I still wanted to update you guys. I still wanted to be with you guys, but I knew after what I was gonna do today, I wouldn't have the strength to do it. So I pre-recorded this, I'm watching, I'm very tired, I'm probably in my pajamas, just trying to relax, trying to take it easy, watching you, and I love all of you, every single one of you, I really do, and I will see you again live very soon. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.